Guangzhou, with its crayfish production coming in the top 10 among the counties and cities in China, covers nearly 400,000 mu of crayfish farms. Traditionally, spreading feed for crayfishes is extremely inefficient by manual operation on both. First, introduction on feed. The feed contains rich and easily digestible animal protein, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements, which can provide the nutrients needed by crayfishes, promote the growth of crayfishes, enhance their immunity, and increase production. There are many forms of feed. A square one and a round one are used today, both 2 kilograms per mu. Second, operation steps. To ensure an accurate dosage, use a small roller because the dosage per mu is less than 5 kilograms. After changing the roller, set up the plane and calibrate the spreading parameters. Calibration is required for both forms of feed. After the calibration, choose the planned field to set the route. With a route length of around 200 meters and the relatively low dosage per mu, the route should be lengthened as much as possible. According to the data measured in the previous stage, set the parameters and start operation. During operation, we need to put the batteries and feed at the feeding point in advance in time to reduce battery consumption and improve operating efficiency. After an 1-hour operation, feed spreading has been done on 170 mu crayfish farm. 2 months we can enjoy the crayfishes fed by ourselves.